Davo from XO2 here. We've been getting a bunch of requests on how to change a refill on the XO2 manual push hand sanitizer dispenser. And so, yeah, I thought we'd shoot this vid, show you how to do it, show you how easy it is to do it too. So with this dispenser, we have a couple of really cool refill options for you. The Virafoam, which is a 70% alcohol-based version. It's a really nice product. And we also have the Virafoam Zero, so a zero version of it, which is alcohol-free and also fragrance-free and nasty-free. So it's really kid-friendly, animal-friendly, people-friendly, and environmentally friendly as well. So it's up to you which one you go for, and we hope you like both of them. The dispenser here is keyless, so I'm going to show you how to open it. It is tamper-proof but keyless. So all you have to do is just grab the front of the dispenser, pull down and then out, and up she goes like that. And you'll see that we actually have some instructions there on how to change a refill in case you forget, forget this video as well. So next we're going to take out the old refill, and to do that just grab the pump, pull it up like that, and the refill comes out. Chuck that out. You can also put it in a recycling bin if you want to do that, and then grab your refill choice. My choice is going to be zero today, so I'm going to grab that. We do have a little transport cap there to keep it secure in transport. Chuck that out too, and feed your refill into the dispenser. Just get in like that, get your pump, make sure the pump's down in the bottom position, all lined up and ready, and all you got to do is just push it back. Clicks in like that. That's it, nice and easy. Close your lid and give it a few pumps just to prime the pump. And look at that, beautiful rich foam ready to sanitize your hands. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope that helped you out, and if there's anything else, make sure you let us know.